Why, hello, everybody. Welcome to week 10 here in Court Systems. Welcome from actually, I'm on campus today for the first time in like forever. I had to get a TCO test this morning, so I'm here on campus. It'll sure be nice when we get back here. Um, First, I just want to mention that the research papers were due last night. As I'm filming this on Friday morning, a couple people haven't submitted them. You need to make sure they get submitted. I have not looked at them yet. Like I said, they were just due last night. Still looking at papers in my introduction to criminal justice class, so I will get to those. Now, let me get out of the way. I'm out on a picnic table out back, and the mouse doesn't want to work. Yep, there it's working right now. It doesn't like this surface for some reason. So anyway, what we've got going on this week, we're going to be looking at chapter 10 on arrest and bail through arraignment. So get your exam review ready. Either print it out or open it up and watch the video, read the chapter in the book. And once you have completed that, make sure you submit your original post, including what you found most interesting about the chapter. Also take the quiz. Make sure you make at least a 70, but there is absolutely no reason for you not to make a 100, since you can retake the 10-question quiz as many times as you want, and the questions don't change, so you should be able to do that. And then you need to complete your follow-up post to chapter number 9, again following the proper protocol, and most people are doing that now. Have a few people that are comparing blank answers, and that will not get you any credit. You both have to answer. You can't say one's right and one's wrong. Well, I guess you can, because the blank one's always wrong. That's not going to work. You need to compare two answers to that are actual answers. And then finally, you need to complete your research papers presentation and video. So submit both of those. We'll look at how to submit those in just a second. And that is in preparation. Get them in time, please, because next week I will be posting them for everybody to view, and we will have a discussion for you watching the video presentations and asking questions of at least 3 different students on their presentations. So that will be due in week 11, and then in week 12. You'll have to go back and answer all the questions that were asked of you in order to get full credit for that discussion board. So let's go ahead and look how we submit the presentation and the video, because they're submitted separately. So first, you would, if you get into the weekly content, oh, right, great, my computer is deciding not to open. It's having, there it goes. Running slow. I'm out back. I guess you can tell that, and maybe the Wi-Fi is not as strong, I guess. Okay, so you would go to the court review or research paper tab, and I thought I had a link to it here, but I guess I don't. So I'll just click over here to the research paper tab. And for your PowerPoint presentation, it's just moving slow. For your PowerPoint presentation, you will, okay, it decided not to switch to that. Just give me a second. Okay, well, suffice it to say, if it doesn't want me to go there, that on the research paper tab, you have one tab that says to submit your PowerPoint. You will click on that, then you will click on the file to open the tab, and then you will select your file and upload it. The second wing to do your presentation, and first for your presentation, you can just film it with your phone, have an audience of 3, preferably living people. There's, with things opening up, you should be able to find 3 people. If there is extreme reason you can't have other people, please let me know, and we'll see we'll see what the excuse is. But right now things are pretty much open, so get 3 people together, family members or others wearing masks or whatever, and you'll pan the audience to show who they are. Then have someone in the audience hold your phone to film it. have the camera on you. I do not need it on your PowerPoint presentation. I can watch your PowerPoint presentation, on a separate screen because you'll be uploading it. Now it's deciding to open that page, again, very slowly. You will then submit it using the share stream. So click on the share stream link, which I don't necessarily think will open, but right here, we'll see if it does. If you click on that, if it were working properly, it would open up right away. And there in the upper right hand corner, I believe it is, it's something that says upload files or upload video. And you will click on that and select your file. You can do it by logging into Blackboard on your phone. That way you don't have to copy the file onto another computer, but whichever way is the easiest for you. When you upload it, it will not be visible to you. It has to be published by me before it is visible. The reason for this is that we've already had some inappropriate videos that have been submitted. Hopefully they were done by accident, maybe not, but they just wanted that little buffer to make sure that things don't get posted that are inappropriate. And now it's trying to open that file. If it does, I'll just show you where to click. I'm not going to click on it because it's kind of taking forever. Well, it's not going to make it. But once you get it uploaded, then I will publish it, and I will also put it into a discussion post. I'll have a discussion set up for the videos for everybody to watch. Again, you'll select 3 videos to watch, and then you will ask at least one question of each video. You can do more than 3 if you want. Watch all the videos. I promise you they will be worth your while. Let me see if this will let me. There you go. Well, that's all I've got for you this week. Sorry about the slow-moving web page, but that kind of stuff happens. And I will talk to you again next week.